it takes longer. Okay, I don't know. So we will start. So hello everyone who is watching and who is going to watch this recording, because I will upload this video. So today, this live is about how to use networking meetings for business. And I have, I guess, my fellow member from foreign online platform. We both members of that platform, and today Ben is my guest, and he will share some tips how to use actually networking for your business. And Ben obviously will share some story as well. So today we will be wearing foreign online members hats. So again, I'm Lolita Reid, and I am a coach and MDC affiliate partner. And I will now ask Ben to introduce yourself and just tell about your business a bit so we all know who you are and what do you do.
Yeah, hi guys. I'm Ben Kelly. I'm Ben Kelly of BJK Entertainment Limited. I organise special occasion entertainment anywhere in the UK. So if you've got a children's party, a party for an adult, wedding, sorry.
That's okay, no problem. You know, when you go live, we just have to deal with what whoever and whatever show ups in our external environment. So whenever Ben you're ready, you unmute yourself. But
Yeah, we can
yeah.
edit that out. It's fine. Sorry guys. My name is Ben Kelly of BJK Entertainment Limited. We organise a special occasion entertainment anywhere in the UK. So from children's parties, parties for adults, weddings, corporate events, and charity events too. I also, because we just come out of a pandemic, I also uh, have party boxes for those
Hmm.
that for those that want to party at home. It's a cost-effective way to party at home on on a budget.
Yeah, okay, good to know. But I know that I know your business, but it's always good to listen again. So it's just like a reminder what you do and how you do it actually. So um I noticed, and probably everybody who's watching noticed that you are in some sort of different, like chair or bed, whatever it is. So tell me, it's live, but can I ask this question? Like a bit a personal question.
Yeah, yeah.
I know that you have the physical disability. So my question to you would be this as well. How do you keep on top of everything? I know you attend so many meetings on a foreign platform. Then you also run your business. How do you do it? How do you keep going forward?
Yeah, so as a disabled person, I have carers 4 times a day.
Mm-hmm.
Also have a personal assistant who helps me out and about. Now, that person is key. So
Mm-hmm.
I do not drive. So this person that helps me out and about takes me to a network event in person, helps me to go to the event and sets me up, takes it down and brings me home.
Mm-hmm.
They also help me run my house. So help me keeps my paperwork together and cooking and all this sort of stuff.
Good, good. So, but what is internally? Why do you do this? You just could like read books or watch Netflix all day. Why do you do your business?
So my business started as I went to a college for the disabled community
Mm-hmm.
in Cheltenham, and that uh, started. I basically was voted on the student union as entertainment officer. They gave me a budget of less than what a DJ was costing at that time.
Mm-hmm.
In 20, like I think it was like 2012-ish.
Mm-hmm.
That that I started my business in 2013. Um and that kind of like I went back to them and like, not gonna happen. Give me 3 months worth of the money that I'm asking for.
Mm-hmm.
I will buy the equipment in,
Mm-hmm.
and I will be the resident DJ, because I was faced with 200 students that
Mm-hmm.
couldn't get onto that they couldn't get into town of an evening. So there was
Okay.
200 people like that couldn't go anywhere, and they had no nightlife. So I
Right.
literally brought in the equipment, became the resident DJ, charged them all £5 a team, like you would back then in a nightclub.
Yes.
I gave them the nightclub experience every Friday, every Saturday, and from that, it just sparked. You know what? I can do this as a business.
Yes, you just spotted an opportunity and you just went for it. Good. Amazing.
Absolutely.
So, why did you join for an online membership
So
platform?
I joined Foreign in about 2016, I think.
Okay. So, yeah.
So I joined back then purely because being a business owner is a very lonely thing.
Agree.
If you're a one-man band, as I was back then, I still am now. I contract things out now, but um, so I literally wanted a community that I could actually be part of and help my business grow. So
Yes.
now,
Mm-hmm.
what are we now? 2016. We're so many years on now
Yeah.
that I'm genuinely sorry. It wasn't 2016. It was 2018. Um,
2018. Mm-hmm.
so I wanted a community that I could just talk to about the issues and the problems, and
Mm-hmm.
just network with people that are like-minded. But
Yeah.
also now, so many
Uh-huh.
years on,
Yes.
I'm actually use most of my business comes from the network. Not business, sorry. Most of my people that I work with come
Mm-hmm.
from the network. So I have my accountant from the network. I have my virtual assistant from the network. I have my graphic designer from the network. Things like this. It
Yes.
very, very helpful. But um I only trusted them
Mm-hmm.
because I networked with them for a year or two before I went with their service.
Yes.
I wouldn't have been able to do that if I hadn't have joined the network.
Yeah, so you basically answered my next question, which was, how does being a member benefits your business and you? So you basically answered that, but can you just give the summary of all this? So what are the main benefits? Friendship.
So the main benefit to me
Mm-hmm.
is you get to promote your business
Yes.
for foresighting, which I'll come on to it in a
Mm-hmm.
minute. Um, but it's about the community. It's about letting people know who you are and what you do. That I am so many years into the business now, into internet working. I know everybody. All those core people that I know people. So if anybody wants entertainment, excuse me,
Mm-hmm.
wants entertainment at any point, I generally will be front of mind because I'm there every week, and
Yeah.
I'm always telling people what I do. We get a 40 seconds uh to say what we do and who
Mm-hmm.
we
A
are.
pitch. Yeah. A pitch.
So
Mm-hmm.
I'm always promoting who I am and what I do,
Mm-hmm.
and keeping it front of mind of those people that I see week in, week out.
Yeah, so yeah, we like it feels, it feels to me like I know you personally, or like to some extent I do know you personally, even we never met, but it's just thanks to this network we
Yeah.
met and we now can chat and have fun and all this. But so come back to the topic of this meeting, how to use networking meetings for business. Can you give one uh, top tip how to use meetings, networking meetings for your business?
Believe it or not, and this is going to be a mic drop moment, but
Okay.
I do not sell. So I'm going to speak to you
Mm-hmm.
about who you are and what you do, and I'm going to make it all about you. And then eventually that relationship will develop, and I will then be front of mind because you know, like, and trust me. It's very important to build the know, like, and trust factor. If you don't know me, if you don't like me, if you don't trust me, it ain't happening.
Yeah, so so what you are saying that the top tip from you is to build relationships first.
100%.
100%. I agree with you. I totally agree because I myself as well, I need to know my members or my fellow members and I need to know them on a personal level and then I can move to some business arrangements or collaboration or service or whatever. So, okay. Now I know because I am a member as you are. We have at our meetings we have opportunity for every single member to who wants to be a presenter at that particular meeting to give a foresight presentation. We call it foresight, and during this foresight whoever is presenting has an opportunity to showcase their expertise. And so I did a couple of foresights already, and I'm going to do more next year. And I know that you are going to do one next Tuesday on the 5th of on the 5th of December. Time flies. 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. UK time.
Yeah.
And that meeting is let's talk about money, and I am group coordinator for that meeting, so that's why I would like you to briefly introduce what you are going to talk about and why do we need to attend.
Yeah. So you need to attend because I'm giving you 10 my top 10 tips to organize a party or an event, but this time it's on a shoestring budget. So we're in a cost of living crisis here in the UK, and genuinely, people don't have a lot of money, or they're being careful of how to spend or
Mm,
where to spend. So I'm trying to help. Again, it's all about helping.
yes.
And I'm trying to help those members that come to watch to if they've got a party coming up for any event, how to do it on a little budget or net or as smaller budget than normal.
Very good, very good. So this is what you are going to talk, and I invite everyone. You can join us as a guest. You can message me or Ben and ask to be our guest, so we can give you a free pass. And existing members, we welcome you to join and listen to Ben how to make your party fabulous on a string shoe. What is the called string shoe budget?
A shoestring
Oh,
budget,
shoes. Oh,
uh,
I always
which is terminology we use here
yeah,
for
it's good. It's nice.
a smaller budget.
Yeah, smaller budget, but small budget doesn't mean you have to have a sad party. You still can have fun and enjoy, and especially now we need to have some joy. And so
Uh,
your tips will be very welcome. So I invite everyone, and as I say, Ben, all the time, we sometimes just one meeting away from our ideal client, ideal collaboration, ideal something, one meeting away. So we definitely invite everyone to join us. and ask us how if you are not member, and if you are a member, you know what to do. So that's it. Thank you very much, Ben, for sharing your expertise.
Just before we go,
Yes.
I wanted to share that I will also be giving away a PDF with all the top 10 tips in. So
Oh
you
my
won't
God.
get, so you can just sit there, listen to my talk, and take away the PDF.
Amazing. So we will have even a checklist. So
Yeah,
we can just check, and off we go. Brilliant. So thank you very much, Ben. And as I said, only one meeting away, and let's join us and network with us next Tuesday, the 5th of December, 7 p.m. UK time, in Let's Talk About Money. And for now, thank you very much for watching. And next time I will have another guest. But for today, thank you, Ben, very much for joining us. And I will finish this live, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
bye.